श्री राम। आई एम नरेंद्र मोदी सर का फैन, बीजेपी कार्यकर्ता हूँ। सर, प्लीज़ reduce electric bus vehicles prices. India only 20% people, only rich people, 80% middle class people. So please reduce electric vehicle prices in India. When 80% middle class people will buy electric cars, electric bikes, electric motorcycles, electric buses, electric trucks, then only India automobile industry stands for our long time. If you see last year, 30% automobile industry falls down due to increased petrol and diesel prices. And if you remove 1.5 lakh jobs, ready to remove jobs, please don't remove jobs in the automobile industry. When workers will when our workers will have automatically production also increase, and the vehicle price also reduce in India automotive industry. So many people, when middle class people will buy electric vehicles like electric cars, electric buses, electric motorcycles, then automatically India automotive industry rises. If you see China, 50 lakh electrical buses moving on their road in China. If you see in India, even 5,000 electric buses also not moving on road due to prices are electric buses are very high. If you see BYD electric bus, O Electriva, see BYD, 2 crores, 2 crore. Tata electric bus launched 12 meters. Tata hybrid electric bus 1.6 crore and 2 crores. If you see Tata diesel bus, 15 lakh, or Tata Ultra bus 28 lakh. Please, Tata sir and Tata CEO Mark Lestosila, please reduce electric buses in India, like diesel buses 15 lakh or 28 lakh, like that electric buses also, to give middle class people reasonable rates. Then only so many people will buy. In India, automobile industry also rises. If you say HR buses, electric bus, HR bus 2 crore and second variant 1.35 crore. HR CEO Siddharth Tal, sir, if you see diesel bus 13.6 lakh and HR staff bus diesel 22 lakh, like that electric buses also please reduce the prices. Then only so many middle class people will buy. India automobile industry will rises and stands for our. And Ashok Leyland, if you see electric bus 55 lakh electric bus and second variant 1.50 crore. If you see Ashok Leyland Chata diesel bus 27 lakh, Ashok Leyland Viking diesel bus 27, Ashok Leyland Sunshine 26 lakh, like that electric buses also please produce reasonable rates for middle class people. Then only Ashok Leyland Indian automobile, Ashok Leyland electric buses Indian, so many middle class people will buy. Indian automobile industry also stands for our. Ashok Leyland CEO Villains Sondi, sir, please reduce electric buses Ashok Leyland prices in India. Then so many middle class people will buy. Indian automobile industry also increases. Like if you see JBM Solaris electric bus also 1.5 crore, 2 crore. Please reduce JBM Solaris electric buses. Then compared to China, India electrical vehicles are very back, even not have top 20 list in India sale electric vehicles. India also increase production of electric vehicles, make in India. like China and USA. In future trend only electrical vehicles, simultaneously diesel vehicles also used in India. Please reduce electric vehicle prices in India. Then only our country will develop like China and USA. Thank you.